How to make your Bosch dishwasher to last forever. Or any other dishwasher, it may be Kenmore or GE or Samsung or LG. My clients always ask me this question. In fact, there are 3 simple things you can do to make sure that your dishwasher lasts forever. Maybe not forever, but years and years. Hello homeowners, my name is Garrick. I am the owner and operator of Technical Appliance Repair in Calgary, Alberta. On my YouTube channel, I help you to save money on appliance repair by sharing tips and tricks on how to look after your appliances, give you advice on how to avoid the breaks that can be avoided, and how to make educated choices when it comes to selecting a new dishwasher. Okay, let me share with you 3 things that can help your dishwasher to last forever. Number 3. The most important thing, clean your plates and vessels before you put them inside of the dishwasher. It sounds silly, but it helps. That does not mean you have to pre-wash them, don't get me wrong. Simply get rid of the food particles into the garbage bin or let your carburetor do the job. Remember, most issues with the dishwasher happens when it's not able to drain the water out and food particles clog in the drain system of your dishwasher. Homeowners, thank you for watching this video. I hope my videos are making your life easier. Is it a bad idea if I ask you to subscribe to my channel? Thank you, and let's move on. Number 2. Check up your filter regularly. There is no need to clean it on a daily basis, but I do that once every 3-4 months. You can watch our video on how to clean your dishwasher. We'll put the link in the description. Very easy. Simply take the filter out. Usually you have to rotate it counterclockwise 90 degrees to unlock the holder. Then rinse the filter and put it back clockwise. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Number 1, and the most important thing you have to do to make sure your dishwasher lasts is to run a cleaning cycle a couple of times a year. The reason why you need to do that is to get rid of the calcium buildup and mold accumulation from the functional parts and gaskets. There are tons of different dishwasher cleaners, but I prefer a liquid one because it's working during the whole cycle despite the others. If you have your own secrets on how you're extending the lifespan of your dishwasher, please share them in the comments. I hope my tips were helpful and you'll be able to expand the lifespan of your dishwasher. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.